Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Eurozone unemployment rate was unchanged at its record low of 6.8% of the workforce in April, the European Union's Statistics Office Eurostat said. In absolute terms, the number of people without jobs in the 19 countries sharing the euro eased to 11.18 million. Crusoe Energy, a US firm that specializes in using excess natural gas for Bitcoin mining, will begin deploying generators and mining equipment to capture flared gas in Muscat, Oman, as the Middle East looks to cut its emissions. The US dollar rose against the euro, helped by upbeat US economic data, and as the common currency remained under pressure following the hottest Eurozone inflation on record that eased worries about the region's growth outlook. The euro-dollar pair fell 0.7% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The gold rose 0.6% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair skyrocketed 1% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The US ADP employment change will be released at 12:15 GMT. Australia's exports at 0130 GMT. The French 10Y bond auction at 0850 GMT. Japan's 10Y bond auction will be released at 0335 GMT. Spain's unemployment change at 0700 hours GMT. Australia's trade balance at 0130 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.